My name is Amit Sharma. I am representing Venus Energy and Consultants, and I am holding the position of director and CEO in this company. Basically, and we basically work into the area of the power sector, covering generation, transmission, and distribution side. And very recently, we have also amended our memorandum of association and article of association, keeping in view of the market opportunities and market potential to cover up the software part also. Matlab. So we are very much interested, and in fact we are working in this area, especially in the area of the data analytics and energy management solutions part, to develop some kind of prototype. So we have already surpassed that ideation stage. Now we are, one step below the scaling part. That is the early traction part. And presently we are in the advanced talks with various technological partners and service providers to develop some kind of prototype to cater to the requirement of the various power distribution utilities. And one such opportunity that we have envisaged is into the area of the smart prepaid metering project. Basically, this smart prepaid metering project is focused on to cut down the AT&C losses of the power distribution utilities, because the power utilities, they used to receive various types of grants from the state government as well as the central government for reducing their AT&C losses. And these are some of the, this slide basically tells us about the SWOT analysis: strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And here in this slide, now this slide is very important from developing this prototype point of view, as well as the market potential of this so-called data analytics software. So very recently, the central government, they have come out with this scheme called Revamped Distribution Sector Scheme. And this scheme is around 40 billion US dollars. It has to be infused in next, 3 to 5 years in strengthening the power distribution sector. And this 40 billion US dollar, it covers four segments. One is the metering infrastructure, second is the distribution infrastructure, third is the project management consultancy, and the fourth that to improve the billing and collection, to improve the profit margins, to enhance the customer satisfaction, to make the utility financially viable, to meet all the regulatory compliances and network ability like SAFI, SADI, CAFE, CADI, to closely monitor the consumer behavior, to reduce the additional O&M expenses, and so on and so forth. So these are some of the cost benefit and analysis from the utility point of view: increased collection efficiency, increased billing efficiency, reduction in AT&C losses, reduction in O&M cost, reduction in ACS minus ARR gap, reduction in regulatory assets, short simple payback period on the investments. So these are some of the project requirements, like you need to have smart meters, head-end system, MDMS system, approach to troubleshoot, analytics software, mobile application, cloud administration. So this diagram is basically represent the smart metering. On the left-hand side, you will be able to see that there are so many smart meters. The data will be collected by the DCU, data concentrated unit, and then it will be transferred to the head-end system, which is called the meter data acquisition system. And from this MDAS, it will go to the meter data analytics, which we are going to develop in our software, in this meter data analysis software. Various kind of reports will be generated on the monthly basis, daily basis, or on the yearly basis. These are the graphical representation. And one more thing I would like to tell here, that in this video we talked only about data analytics part from the power distribution point of view. But please note that we are also working in the area of the renewables, like solar, wind, and hydro, to provide similar kind of software solutions to the various renewable generators also. Because as you know that the Indian government has recently announced the target of 500 gigawatt by 2030 in the Glasgow COP26 summit. So various kind of business opportunities also lies in the renewable side also, For instance, if I talk about the generation point of view, as you know that the renewable generation is not very reliable. So there is a lot of scope in developing the software related to the generation forecasting and demand forecasting. So we are also working in those areas also to to address or to develop all these solutions for the renewables also, apart from the power distribution.